Welcome back to another video, and today I will be using my Cooking River 830 to make a smoothie. So I'm giving the auto thing a rest. So we're going to be using some frozen banana, frozen mango, some yogurts in this little sachet. Reason why I buy them in this, because you can squeeze them through the top of here. And we're going to use some oat milk. So let's get into this video. So we're going to cut top of the valve so we can open it. And we are going to do the same. Oh, the mango, but I open that already. So let's get into making our smoothie. So we're going to cut the top open, which is the thick way, and we're going to put some frozen bananas in. And we're going to open the mango, which you have the frozen mango. So we're going to pop some in. And we are going to put some yogurt in. Squeeze the yogurt in the top just like this. And we're going to turn on our juicer. We're going to add a small bit of oat milk. Okay. So mango has beta carotene, it has fiber which boosts immune system, promotes eye health, aid in digestion, and much more, even potassium and fiber. So you will get that from this, and it's good for your gut. It also reduces the risk of cancer. Look how nice this is mixing. So guys, now you see that it's not only juice it can make. So let's pop some more frozen banana in and keep going. So if you keep on the natural stuff, it will do so much more for your body. Even breast cancer, look how lush this looks in the juicer. So as you can see, our smoothie is mixing, and now I am going to pull off the smart cap and let this smoothie flow out of this juicer into the jug. I have the next jug aside just in case this one gets full. So let's keep going. So we're gonna stock up on our calories today, which is 99. You get 99 calories, vitamin C, vitamin A, and fiber. Wow. There I remove the smart cap and look at the smoothie. Just keep flowing into our jug. And this is yummy. I made some this morning and I decided not to make any juice today. I will make some for you all to have. Using this juicer to make smoothies, it produce a significant thicker, creamier, and much more nutrient dense texture compared to the high-speed blender, which often introduce air and heat that destroy the delicate nutrients in your smoothie. So when you use other like blenders and so forth, it introduces eat and just kill all the nutrients from your smoothie. So this doesn't introduce any heat. It's nice and creamy. Using the cooling help you to have it retains a bright color due to less oxidation. So all I did was add a little bit of oat milk. No added sugar is in it, and this smoothie is loaded, guys, loaded. And I've added the banana because it gives energy, potassium, it helps with your heart health, muscle recovery, and much more. And this smoothie will improve your mood. I love using natural fruits. Instead of adding sugar in anything that I do, I just go natural. It cannot hurt you. So let's add some more bananas as we go along, and mangoes, and keep going. So we're gonna add some oat milk slowly, little by little. So this goes with the frozen fruit and crushed and turned into such beautiful smoothie. Look how lush and bright this is, and full of nutrients for our body. So guys, try this smoothie out. So I am going to pull this smart cap when I finish and run some of it out. So now here we have some banana and mango, and we are popping them in. Wow, look how lush. Wow, this is no bubble, no heat. So I stopped using my NutriBullet because it introduce heat and kill all the nutrients from your smoothies. So just invest in a proper juicer like the Covins, so you can make your smoothie and you won't have any added heat to destroy all the enzymes. Now I'm using a wooden spoon to just turn it over so you can see out the thickness of it. Wow, my goodness, I can't wait to dive into this. Watch until the end. I have something that I'm gonna add to it, which is, I'm not gonna tell you. So what I am going to add to it: lower your cholesterol, the bad one, and trust me, it helps with weight management and reduce inflammation. So stick and stay, guys. Look how thick this is. Ooh, wow, 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 look at that. So now our smoothie is finished and we use. So I'm just showing you, it's not only juice these machines can make, and the smoothies, they are so smooth. Ooh, look at that, creamy and nice, and we don't have any air bubbles in these smoothie. So let's pour the remaining from this one. Ooh. Ooh. Creamy and rich and nice. Look at that. Look how it's running down. So I am gonna just put a dash of nutmeg on the top. I'll bring you closer. Yes, a dash of nutmeg. Let's take our time. We don't want to put too much. That is it. Dash of nutmeg, and we're gonna stick our straws in. And guys, this is gonna be the end of this video. Just let me run outside for something else to pop on this little decoration. So guys, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, share with your friend, and see you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Bye for now. See